Sarahani. Oh, Ate Lutz. Sarahani ka po. So, also, for Egypt, your sister, oh, come here. You know, it takes, 3 beautiful women on stage to enjoy it. What's your name?
Aya.
What?
Aya.
Aya? Aya. A-Y-A? Oh, and your last name?
Hey.
Oh, that's me. I'm just checking if you still know your last name. What's your Your What's your is what? What's your lineage? Like, are you 100% Egyptian?
We're half Filipino. This is my mom.
Where's your mom? Oh, she's very pretty. Hi. Filipina and your father is from Egypt.
Yeah.
Oh, nice combination. Me too, I'm half Filipino, half Filipina. I want to be homosexual. So are you here on vacation?
Yeah.
First time?
No.
Been here before, several times.
Yeah, this is maybe our third time.
Oh, do you like the Philippines?
Yeah.
Do you know how to speak Tagalog? How about you? Just little. Oh, what do you know? What Tagalog words do you know? Give me one.
Konti. It's like.
Yeah, little. Konti, maliit, jutay. Do you like ang init? Do you like Filipino food?
Yeah, I like Egyptian more.
Egyptian. You like Filipino food?
Yeah.
What do you like?
Set?
Pancet, noodles. You eat balot?
No.
No, it's balot is an acquired taste. Not everybody likes it anyway. So what? You go to school?
Yeah, my last year. Graduating next year.
In high school?
College.
College? What course?
International business.
Oh, you?
First year.
First year?
Yeah, international business.
Oh, what do you take up after first year? What do you take up after first year?
What do I take up?
Take up. Yeah, drugs like that. After first year, what do you plan to do?
Maybe some courses or stuff. Like.
Well, you go to second year. So, do you like the Philippines? Nice, no? It's a very nice country. You should be proud you are half Filipina. Because, Philippines is very nice. We are the 3rd most corrupt in Asia. And we have the worst airport in the world. But as they say, it's more fun in the Philippines. Right? Do you have a boyfriend?
No, I don't.
Oh, you're so pretty. How young are you? You know, when I was 21, I looked like you. When you will become 41, you will look like me. It's up to you. You want to commit suicide already? Do you have a boyfriend? Do you have a talent? Talent.
Dance.
She can sing
Sing.
Filipino.
Dance.
Filipinas yun.
You dance, you sing.
Sing.
Or, okay, you give us an example. Let's sing.
No.
You know Tagalog song? Or you dance, okay? Okay? You dance. Take the music so we can see it. What?
I better dance.
You belly dance? Or you belly dance yourself? Make the music, belly dancing now. Or make music. Or you show us belly dancing. Wait for the music. Go. Did you hear the music? It's imaginary. Go music. Very nice. Oh, show your talent. Be careful.
Thank you.
Use your talent.
No, you sing me a song.
What song?
Adele, you know.
Adele? Yeah, he's my driver. Ano ang gano'n? Adele, di ba? Jesus. Sana driver mo. What song?
Set fire to the rain.
What?
Set fire to the rain.
You like that? I don't know. I know someone like you. I heard that you, so that you.
I'm a girl and you're married now. I heard that your dreams came true. Yes, you believe the things I didn't give to you.
Very nice, huh? Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. Mga mga little girls. Be careful. Ganun, no? You should find a Filipino for a boyfriend, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, Filipino men are the best. What about yung mga Pinoy? Oh, you should take it from me. I had my taste of men. I had boyfriends all over the world, not international. But for me, Filipino are still the best. Oh, mga Pinoy talaga, the best pa rin. Oh, kahit ilawan mo sa ibang bansa. Kasi yung mga Pinoy, kahit wala din ang tutubo, yung laging galing. Oo, dahil mga always, si Mas Tutubo ka. Dahil mga always, tinasa ng tutuboy, oo, tinawag, USA! Labas yung Amerikano, nilabas yung tutuboy, tumuha ng pinggan, binasag, palakpakan, ang tigas. Japan! Labas yung makoy, nilabas yung tutuboy, kumuha ng niyog, binasag, palakpakan, ang tigas. Philippines! Labas yung Pinoy, nilabas yung tutuboy, kumuha ng niyog, binasag, pareho lang. Kinudkod yung niyog.